I will be constructing an electric kettle using all these things that you are seeing here as a waste. I'm going to use it to construct an electric kettle. My last post, I posted where I constructed a boiler, an electric boiler, using the container, the waste container of milk and that of tomato. So this time around, I'm going to use also the waste container that many have seen as a waste. I'm going to use it to construct an electric kettle. And at the end of the day, the same waste will then become a sense, whereby by recycling, technically, is going to be converted to an electric kettle. Right now, I'm done with the construction of the electric kettle. As you can see, I happen to use the waste that you know, waste of metals, of tin tomato, tin milk. I fabricated them and I converted it to an electric kettle. And this video is all about invention, and not just invention. It's all about recycling, and not just recycling. It's all about how do you see things in life. As I earlier said, I said in the previous video I posted in regards to the electric boiler, that it's either you see things the way they are or you see things the way you are. So right now, I'm going to pour water into this kettle and I'm going to plug it to the socket and we're going to see it boil. I still remain Surface Chinedu. I believe that information bets illumination. Right now, I'm pouring water into the kettle, which is the electric kettle I just constructed using what many call waste. So I use it to construct an electric kettle. So I'm pouring water. The next thing is to plug it to the socket and we see it boil. Right now, I just plugged it. In a few minutes time, the water is going to be boiling. You observe now, you are going to discover that it is boiling right now. You can see the smoke. You can see it. It is boiling. So those things you are seeing as waste around your environment, think deeply. Meditate, have a quiet time, no matter your religion. Just sit down and think. There is power in thinking. There is power in meditation. The more you meditate, the more you create. The more you meditate, the more you create. The more you meditate, the more you create. I just converted that same tin milk, tin tomato that you throw away. I fabricated them and I used it to construct this electric kettle. The only thing I just bought from the market just to buy this empty container. That is a kettle. So right now, you can see that in life, it's either you see things the way they are or you see things the way you are. I still remain Surface Chinedu. I believe in information and I believe that information bets illumination. Share and like. Follow my page, Surface Chinedu, and I will bring another idea that happens to come to my way and I will share it to this platform. Thank you.